Hello YouTube, back for another video. I just drove my bike all the way downtown Louisville just to not have the SD card for the GoPro. So we're on our way back again. We are going through the Highlands, and for people who do not know what the Highlands are, it is like the college town, but also very hippies. Like there's hippies and stuff. 420 blazing. But yeah, it's like the hippie college town of Kentucky. So we are going that way. Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I had to drive all the way home. 30 extra minutes. Bruh. Oh, this was crossed off earlier. There was a huge accident. I just saw the Rebel on the side. Interesting. There was like 4 fire trucks and ambulances. So nice. I don't have to get lost in back roads. Whee! awkward eye contact. It's a nice bike though. I don't know what it is. Got the duct seat tape, duct tape seat, you know. Okay. Also, this vlog is also sponsored again by zip ties. This time 8 zip ties are holding up this GoPro. Doggy. Once again, I cannot get this GoPro mount to work, so I gotta order one. Wah. This is a long ass red light. Holy shit! Minutes later. I beat him. He's in front because I lapped him. Bro, come on. Surprised I'm getting all these green lights. It's about damn time. God damn. Wah. Oh, these kids. That's funny. Look at them. Oh shit. Oh shit. For the kids. Parlor. Yeah, buddy. Motorcyclist first. Woo! That guy's selling. I need those. The eclipse glasses. We're making a Yui. I need them. 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 I need eclipse glasses! My boss, so I'll be at work during the eclipse, and my boss told me I'm not allowed to look into the sun because workers' comp doesn't cover it. So I suppose I'll get some eclipse glasses. Alright, hopefully he was over here. If not, I fucked up. Eclipse guy! Oh my god, I'm a fucking god. I am a god. I am a gosh.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. How many you need?
Is it 2 for 5?
2 for 5.
Let's do it.
Enjoy.
Cool, cool, cool. We eclipsed up. Look at all those cocks. Look at them all. Let's go sit on one. Wait, what? What? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Chickens. Look at all those chickens that you can go sit on over there because they're art displays. Fucking hell. Look at all these chickens. My keys. Chicken. Oh, they're hard. Cock-a-doodle-doo.